So this is how you make this wonderful frame freeze edit on CapCut. So from your CapCut, you click on new project and import the footage you want to edit the frame freeze on. So the first thing to do is to duplicate the video. So you click on the video and click on copy. So you duplicate and make the duplicate an overlay. Turn the duplicate as an overlay, just like what I'm doing. Okay, so the second step to take is to remove background of the overlay. So cut out and remove background. So the background has been removed. So now we need to locate the action and freeze. We need to locate the action and freeze. So if you want to freeze at this point, you locate it, you click on the overlay and you click on freeze. So when you freeze, the video will be divided into 3 parts. Now you would have to delete the first part and the third part. So you have to delete the first and the third part and extend to meet the beginning of the video. So if you are done with this, this is how your video should look. Okay, so now this is the next thing to do. Now you should locate the meeting point. You should locate the meeting point. You click on the overlay and split the video. So when you split, you delete the second part of the video. So this is now what we have. So you keep on repeating this step till you get all the freeze frame you want. So this is how it goes. You keep on repeating. You duplicate the main video. The next step is to make or turn this into an overlay. Then you draw. So now the next thing is to remove background. So when the background has been removed, you locate the action and you freeze the frame. So we need the next action here. So you click on the video, that is the second overlay. You click on freeze frame. You delete the first and third parts of the video. So you extend the second or the middle one to meet the beginning of the video. Now you locate the meeting point of the second frame. You split and delete. So this is what we have now. So keep repeating this until you've got the accurate video you want, or keep repeating this until you are able to freeze all the frames or the actions you want. So this is how to create this freeze frame edit on CapCut. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, similar content. Catch you up in my next upload.